here are some quick fixes that actually work if your iPhone calls keep dropping after the iOS 17 update. First, go to Settings, then open Mobile Service and tap on Network Selection. Disable Automatic Selection. Wait a few seconds, and then manually select your network provider. Now, turn on airplane mode for about 20 seconds, then turn it off. This helps refresh your network connection and can fix call dropping issues on iPhone. Next, restart your iPhone and check if the problem is solved. If not, try removing your SIM card, then reinsert it properly. Sometimes this simple step can fix network-related issues. Still facing the issue? Go back to Settings, open Mobile Data Options, and tap Voice and Data. Switch from 5G to 4G or 3G for a more stable connection. Also, enable Wi-Fi calling for better call quality in low signal areas. As a final step, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. And yeah, that's how you fix the iPhone call dropping problem after the iOS 17 update quickly and effectively.